guys, today I'm doing a special back to school giveaway. I love school supplies so much. They can be so cute and fun. I have been collecting some super cool ones and one lucky winner will receive all of these prizes. So let's have a look. A rainbow pom-pom pen. This limited edition pack of Papermate felt tip pens in Candy Pop pastel colors. Emoji post-it notes with 4 different style faces. This super cute poo emoji sharpener set. A 3-pack of heart-shaped erasers. Mechanical pencils in rainbow colors. A cute unicorn bag tag. Summer-themed mini erasers. I think the flamingo is my favorite. Papermate ballpoint pens. This absolutely sweet holographic panda coin purse. I love this. It's just so cute. Ice cream chalk. This adorable pack of mini gel pens. Pineapple sticky notes. Purple colored theme pencils. 2 amazing squishy blind bags. I don't know about you guys, but I love squishies. This cool pack of erasable highlighters. A flamingo pencil case or cosmetic bag. Cute banana cat stickers for your laptop, pencil case, or makeup pouches. This sweet unicorn lip gloss in cotton candy flavor. A just peachy pencil case. A cute donut eraser and a cute pineapple eraser. A pack of pastel colored highlighters. Glow in the dark glue in pink glitter. A pack of Jiggly Pals. I love to squish them and jiggle them. They're just so much fun. Rainbow page tags. This cute avocado keyring. A cool slap ruler you can wear as a bracelet or you can use it as a ruler. A pack of Crayola washable markers. This jumbo pack of gel pens in neon rainbow colors. Fashion click pens. 3 packs of washi tape. A large pencil case. This can hold so many supplies, guys. This cool glitter flip straw water bottle. A unicorn pom-pom clip. A plush journal with this cute shake sequins drink cup on it. This 50-pack of Crayola colored pencils. And a 50-pack of Super Tips washable markers. The cutest Care Bears 2021 calendar. 2 file folders, a holographic sloth summer vibes, and a mermaid unicorn fairy princess. a flamingo 3-ring binder, an ice cream 3-ring binder, two 5-pack ombre color dividers, and 3 cute fruit and food notebooks with Velcro to close. That's right guys, I'm giving you a bonus, this awesome JanSport backpack with adorable rainbow birds on it. I will pack all your supplies in it and ship it off to you. And finally, this super cool one-of-a-kind snow cone pen, which I made and painted myself especially for you. It's not perfect, but it's so incredibly cool guys, I'm sure everyone will want to know where you got it. And I paired it with this sweet donut notebook. Who doesn't love cute food stationery items, right? This giveaway is international guys, so it doesn't matter where you live, I will ship all of these amazing prizes to one lucky winner. Before I get into the rules, the winner of the custom Funko Pop Hello Kitty giveaway has been posted and contacted and will be sent out to them. So now, on to the rules. If you want to win all of these cool prizes, the only thing you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, which is linked down below, leave a comment here and on my IG giveaway post with your first name and first initial of your last name, so that way I can contact the lucky winner. The winner will be chosen randomly on October 9th and will be announced here and on Instagram. Good luck guys, and see you next week!